Python supports recursion. So how to write the recursive code in Python we shall be discussing.
In this particular demonstration, we are going to discuss recursion, how to implement recursion. Here we have defined one method. The name of the method is fact, which is taking this n as input parameter. If n is less than equal to 1, return 1. We know that in case of recursion, there will be some base case. That means for certain inputs, outputs will be known to us. We know that if the value of n is equal to 0 or the value of n is equal to 1, then factorial of n will be 1 here. Otherwise, what will happen? Return n star factorial n minus 1. So let us suppose we have passed this value 5 here. So n will be assigned to 5. 5 is less than equal to 1 is false. So it will go for 5 into factorial 4. Now factorial 4, so 4 will be assigned to n. 4 is less than equal to 1, the condition is false. So it will go for 4 into factorial 3. So again in this case we will be having 3 into factorial 2. Again 2 is less than equal to 1, condition is false, so it will go for 2 into factorial 1, and n is less than equal to 1 will be true, so it will be returning the value 1 here. So that is my factorial 1, that will get multiplied with 2, so I'll be getting 2 here, so that will get multiplied with 3. So now the this particular recursive call will retrace back to the through the callers, and ultimately I'm going to get this one, that is 5 into factorial 4. So factorial 4 will be obtained as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that will be our 24 into 5. So 120 will be the outcome. So let us go for the execution. You can find that the factorial of 5 is 120. So in this way, the recursive function can be written in Python. Thanks for watching this video.